So we are going to stop here for the casings, and or maybe you can add one extra casing, which I can say is the production casing. So we can say the tubing is up to the tubing is up to 7 inches, and then measured top is 1602. Then this will be auto calculated, so we come here, we put in the inside as 6, and then it's a casing here, or we can make it a liner. This is a liner, so we put in the details of this casing and call it a slotted pipe, and then we choose the connection type, slotted casing or hold casing. We can call it hold casing. Can put in distribution, but the inner diameter, outer diameter is 7 and the inner diameter is 6. So you select its length. Can say its length is up to 1000. Then to auto calculate the rest. So we can add in the next one and another one. So here we are going to add in a float collar, and then add in, so it's a float collar, same 6, and then we put in its length as just 2 feet, and then okay, here I didn't put in the weight. I'm using the weight of 84, and then this one I'm using the weight of 31. 31 is a bit high. Choose a grade. I want to use a random grade for both of them. Random grade. But when you're doing your work, you must use what has been provided in the program. So lastly here, this last one I want to make it a shoe, casing shoe. So this is a casing shoe, and this I'm going to make it slightly higher, 7.5, and leave this as 6. So make this one around 2. Then we select its size, its weight to be around 18, and select the grade. You have to go as per the program, so these ones I'm just selecting randomly, show you how we do it here. So we put in the rest of the information. So we are done with this part, adding in casings. So if you want, you can put in the cementing the same way, the same way that we are putting the casings. You come here, you add in, and then you choose the type and the measure depth and base. For example, you can come and say you're adding in the casing, the cement. Is it the primary or the squeeze? It's primary, you put in primary. Assembly, in which assembly? This one. Okay, what is there? So after that, you come here and click, and you add in the details of what is the type, the measured depth and measured base. I think if we are to add that, we need to start with the first casing. Okay, this is the conductor casing. The measured top is at 0, and the measured base is at 5.2. So the type of cement we choose. Then we can put in the next one. Here we're not do one type of cement at the first conductor casing, so we can do primary, and then we select this is at 12. So add in, and we can say, you know what, we have type. The type is primary. Second stage, measured top is 52. Measured base is at measured base is at 1652. Okay, so you can put in even the next one by adding, but I'm going to skip that for now, so you practice with that. So that's how we put it cementing. If you're putting in wellbore equipment, we have wellbore assembly here, so I'm going to skip the wellbore equipment because I'm doing completion. I also skipped the BHA here. I didn't put in the whole section, so I'm going to add the whole sections. We have the first one section, and the depth is at 0, and the base is at 52. So it's a cast hole. Size here should be 20. Size of the casing should be 18. Effective hole diameter should be 20. You can put in a description here, and we can go ahead and have the next one. You can put the names of the sections here. For example, conductor. So this second one here, surface. So surface casing. This is at 52, and then the measured base is at 1652. So we add in this is a cast hole. It has a casing, it has a size of our casing size was around 12, and then effective hole diameter can be up to 14. You can put in a description here. So I'm going to stop here for now, and then we can proceed to the other part. So I would skip all this stimulation. The stimulation job, you can do it the same way. You add in the information, but then I'm more interested in the wellhead. So let's stop here and then come back and we design our wellhead. Thank you very much.